Murang'a County was ranked as the most corrupt by the respondents who...
Thutha wa riboti ya kamitii ya kuhurana ungumania kuuga kaunti ya Murang'a niyo inyitirire gikombe hari ungumania guku bururi-ini. Riu Ngavana Mwangi Wa Iria arahihia tamunya kiregana na riboti ino.
How can someone start taking in media houses a 2016 report 2 years down the road? This is the same discussion which my opponents were peddling around here. Na raia wakasema sisi tumeona vile tumefanywa.
Wa Iria augite riboti ino ti ya ma kuonecogeirwo ni thu ciake cia giuteti ire na itanya ria kumuguraria giuteti mbere ya mwaka wa 2022.
They want to mislead Murang'a leadership, Murang'a County, so that we don't feature anywhere in the succession equation. I am telling them very clear, I am set for this war. I'm ready for this war. We are going to feature in the succession equation. They can try to tarnish the record as much as they would, but I can tell them they will be beaten.
Ona kuri uguo Wa Iria ni ahitite kungethanira na aria maramuikia twara maitho akiuga kioneki giake gitiguthatio no kana no akiorota seneta wa Murang'a Irogo Kang'ata ta mutafariri munene wa komunia Daka.
And Kang'ata has an issue with us because Kang'ata is seriously fighting the hawkers bill. He's wondering why we should take a bill ourselves. Because we have waited and he has not taken. That's why we took it. And we have right to take. So we know Kang'ata is fighting back because of the hawkers bill. He should be told the hawkers bill will be passed. Because most of the other senators are okay with it because they come from areas with hawkers.
Okaida-inio kau Wa Iria ni oritie kamitii ya EACC ithingataga kihoto na waragania gitafanio uthuthuria wayo itegwitikira kuingirirwo kana kurwa bara ciene.
It is not the time for creating funny jokes so that you can be elected. Kenyans have changed. And I regret why we didn't support the former senator. Because the kind of character which I'm seeing is different. Senator Kembi only came the last minute because he was doing campaign. He even told me, unajua mimi nafanya campaign. This leg man is coming early in the day, 5 years to distort Murang'a.
Miario ya Wa Iria yumanite na riboti iria yonanitie kaunti ya Murang'a niwe itongeretie hari gukorwo na ungumania guothe bururi-ini hamwe na kaunti ingi 5 iria ithiururukiirie kirima gia Kirinyaga iria ire thiini wa kaunti 10 iria ngoroku muno guku bururi-ini.